Real Talk Industrial, Episode 1, Stop Calling It Flex. For years, the industry used that word to describe a wide range of smaller industrial buildings. The problem is that the term doesn't actually communicate anything meaningful about how the building functions operationally. And when companies are making real estate decisions, operational performance matters. So today, I want to clarify the distinction between the three product types that actually define the industrial market: shallow bay, mid bay, and bulk distribution. Because when everything gets labeled flex, strategy gets lost in translation. Let's start with what many people historically called flex space. In reality, this product type is better understood as shallow bay industrial. These buildings are typically smaller, often between 5,000 and 30,000 square feet. Clear heights are lower, office buildouts tend to be a little higher, and loading is primarily grade level rather than dock high. Shallow bay products serves an important role in the market. It works well for contractors, service businesses, smaller distributors, and those that need a hybrid office warehouse environment. But operationally, there are limitations. Lower clear height restricts vertical storage. Truck courts tend to be tighter. Power capacity may not support heavier industrial users. While this product is extremely functional for the right occupier, it was never designed for large-scale logistics operations. The next category is mid-bay industrial. This is where operational efficiency becomes a more significant driver of real estate decisions. Mid-bay buildings typically range around 30,000 to 150,000 square feet, offering higher clear heights, usually in the 24 to 30 foot clear. Dock high loading becomes more common, and the design shifts towards warehouse functionality rather than office space. For companies that are growing, this often is a natural progression. The building begins to support better racking systems, improved truck access, and higher throughput. These operational efficiencies have a real impact on distribution costs and inventory management. At the largest scale, we move into bulk distribution facilities. These buildings are designed specifically for logistic performance. Bulk distribution typically starts around 100,000 square feet and can well extend beyond 1 million square feet. Clear heights increase significantly, 30 foot clear to 40 foot, allowing companies to maximize the storage and operational velocity. You'll see multiple dock doors, large courtyards, trailer parking, and sometimes cross-dock configurations that allow trucks to load on both sides of the building. At scale, these conversations shift well beyond square footage. Companies began to evaluate infrastructure variables such as transportation access, labor availability, and increasing power capacity. Industrial real estate is highly specialized, and the building type you choose directly impacts the efficiency of your operation performs. Understanding the difference between shallow bay, mid bay, and bulk distribution isn't just industry terminology. It's a part of making a strategic real estate decision. And if we're being precise, small bay or shallow bay industrial is much more elegant description than flex. This is Real Talk Industrial. We'll see you in the next episode.